Hey, we are here today at Powder Coated in Tempe, Arizona to pick up our powder coated pieces. What I wanted to try was powder coating the inside of the fender. And while it was here, we also got sunblasters on the inside and outside. So we have a nice powder coat on the inside that should last forever, because when you powder coat something, the powder, after being heated and melted a little bit, it becomes like a single molecule. So you have this super strong molecule that holds up to all the sandblasting it gets from the tires and debris while you're driving. And since the Mustangs don't have like a protection inter-fender and everything just hits the actual metal, this should make it super strong and last forever without any corrosion. And here are some other pieces they did. All the brackets outside of the shock tower and the brackets for the bumper and some front body parts. So the outside, I'm gonna put some epoxy primer so it seals it, and then I can start working on it. The body was pretty good with a couple little dents, but other than that it was pretty good. So I think my new rule gonna be, if I can take it off and it's not visible from the outside, probably gonna powder coat it just to make it last. So if you live in Phoenix metro area, stop by the powder coated in Tempe. They have all kinds of colors for all your car or other needs, and they have a huge booth for firing the powder coat. It's 15 by 8 feet, so you can even put a car frame in there. And in this project, they use their strongest black color, which is coincidentally also glossy. So this should really last a long time. So I don't know if anybody ever did a fender before, but for them, they say this was the first. So that's pretty cool. And like I said, there's almost no powder on the outside. They use tapes on the edges. Plus, like I said, I'm gonna use a epoxy primer after this, so it should seal nicely. Oh my goodness, these things came out so good. I think they look better than they ever looked from a Ford factory. I mean, literally, this one I can see myself in. So nice. Check out these before and after. So just to show how awesome powder coating is, these chairs were like vintage. They got taken and sandblasted and powder coated 15 years ago, and they are in Arizona in the sun all the time and right by the pool. They get dragged all over the floor, and they still look this good, and they were already vintage from back in the day. So the powder coat is pretty awesome. I mean, testing it in Arizona under severe sun conditions, getting wet with chlorine, and it looks still this good. On the Mustang, the fender should look great for really long time.